Hey, I'm Nick from Highcamp, and today I'm gonna batch an espresso martini. If you're not familiar with batching, it's making one cocktail for a bunch of people. We're gonna use the Highball Shaker and the upscale jigger to make it really easy. The ratio for an espresso martini is 2 parts vodka, 1 part coffee, half part coffee liqueur, and a quarter part simple syrup. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is fill up your Highball Shaker halfway with ice, and then we're just gonna use the 4-ounce side of the jigger so we can get 6 espresso martinis. All the way up to the top of the 4-ounce side of the jigger is 1 part, so we'll do that twice. Now it's 1 part espresso. I actually prefer cold brew. It allows us to dial in the dilution a little bit better, and I believe it has a less bitter flavor. So 1 part, just 1 time all the way to the top. 1/2 part coffee liqueur. I'm going to the second line inside the upscale jigger. And then a 1/4 part simple syrup. I'm just going to that first line in the upscale jigger. In simple syrup, you can choose your dilution. You can do 1/2 parts sugar to water, but how sweet you want it depends on you. All right, so all the ingredients are in there. Now it's time to shake. You can see I just threaded on the lid. That means it's not gonna come off no matter how hard I shake it. And then also it's vacuum insulated, so it's not gonna slip when I shake it because it's not gonna sweat. You can pick an arbitrary number while you're shaking. I like to count to 20, and we're good to go here. I'm gonna take my tumblers for everyone at my New Year's party or birthday party. I'm by myself. Cheers.